More on them before too long. So all three tutors safely airborne. They will just disappear into what we call a hold. It's a safe position in the sky, away from the display area, but close at hand, so they can get ready for their formation flypath. The team will be running through their display checks, so they will be checking what we call scan checks, so they'll be checking the transmissions of the aircraft, the engine. Number 2 in the formation, Flight Lieutenant Mark Everson, another of the UBAS instructors. He flew both fixed and rotary wing aircraft during his RAF service, left the service to fly commercially, but rejoined as one of the instructors on the Air Experience flight element of the squadron in 2014. And with Mark in that second tutor, Officer Cadet Lucy Pepper, a philosophy student at the University of Birmingham. Completing the formation, Flight Lieutenant Jonathan Fleurs, who flew a very diverse range of aeroplanes during his service, the Chinook with number 7 Squadron, then the VC-10. He first entered the UAS world as a student himself with Bristol University Air Squadron. Later he became a qualified flying instructor with the University of London Air Squadron. He was in the Royal New Zealand Air Force for 5 years before he came back to the UK and joined the Air Experience flight element of UBAS. And accompanying Jonathan in the third tutor is Officer Cadet Quinn Partridge, an aeronautical engineering student at Staffordshire University. So the University of Birmingham Air Squadron was formed back on the 3rd of May 1941. Didn't actually start flying training until post-war. You can actually fly in one of these aircraft. And meanwhile, if you're a current or future student at one of the unis, I believe, but not compulsorily, with a view to maybe joining the RAF in future or just building up other skills, then go and see UBAS. They'd be delighted to talk to you